everybody, welcome to Morgan Bakes. Today I will be making ginger snaps, so let's get started. Hello everybody, welcome to the ingredients part of this video. So, if you want to make ginger snaps, you're going to need ground cinnamon, ground ginger, and ground cloves. And then you're also going to need 3/4 of butter. I'm going to cut this later. Pure baking soda, molasses, all-purpose flour, light brown sugar, and granulated sugar. And that's all. Hi everybody, welcome to the combining part of this video. So, I love this part. This is my favorite part of baking. I like seeing all the ingredients mixed together, and it's super satisfying. Anyway, there are 4 super easy steps to this ginger snap recipe. So, first step, you're gonna mix all the ingredients together. Second step, you're gonna roll the dough into balls. Third step, you are going to put it in the oven. And fourth step, you're going to eat it. Okay, so now that we've covered that, we have to get into the amount of ingredients that we need. So we're gonna need 1 1/8 cups of all-purpose flour. We're gonna need 1 cup packed brown sugar, 3/4 cup shortening or butter. Shortening and butter are the same thing. We're going to need 1/4 cup of molasses. Guys, you really need molasses for this recipe. You need 1 egg, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon ground ginger, 1 teaspoon ground cinnamon, and finally, you're gonna need 1/4 teaspoon ground cloves. So let's start combining. You let them cool for about 5 minutes, and then you can eat.